Hey, I'm Josh from Meadowsmirth Farm. Welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making Beet Shakshuka. It's a simple dish to make, but it is exploding with flavor. I really think you're going to like it. Try it out. Alright, I'm going to start out by chopping up a couple little onions. Get those ready to be sauteed. Then I'm going to chop up about a pound of beets. Pretty much exactly a pound. Not really worried about size, and I didn't peel it, just gave it a rinse. Then into my pot goes my onions until they're translucent, and then I'm going to add my harissa. I got this from Stock and Spice in Portsmouth, and you can check out my website for the spice profile as well. Let those toast for about 30 seconds. I use a little bit of balsamic vinegar to glaze the pan. I'm going to add my beets, and I'm going to top that off with water and bring that up to a boil, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 35-40 minutes till the beets are nice and tender. While those are cooking, I have some frozen tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes, but I had some frozen paste tomatoes from the summer. I'm going to chop those up. Those are going to go into the beets. When the beets are done, I'm going to add the tomatoes because it'll cool it down, it'll slow down the cooking a bit. Then I'll cook it for about another 10 minutes to soften those tomatoes. Oh, look at that color. Then it's time to bring it to the immersion blender, and I'm going to start to puree it. Oh, first I'm going to add some salt. Very important. Then I'm going to puree it, just working slowly back and forth, slowly upping the speed. I'm going to add a little more water. It was a little too thick. I don't want it baby food consistency. I want it a little bit like a thick marinara sauce. And taste it. Always taste. Taste, taste, taste. Can add more salt. Then I'm going to put it back into a large skillet. And I'm going to drop some eggs. This is where the magic happens. I'm going to put some eggs in here, and I'm going to poach these eggs. So I'm just going to have the shakshuka on a simmer. I'm going to let the eggs poach. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes until you want the white set, but you still want, at least I want, a runny yolk. So it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. But you don't have to stir or anything, just keep an eye on it. And there you can see my eggs are done. And yeah, we're ready to serve this. My beet shakshuka is done. Got some crusty bread. I'm going to dip it into that yolk. Get some sauce. Mmm. Mmm. That is so rich and flavorful. Wow. I really think you're going to like this one. Wow. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. Mmm, mmm, mmm.